Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to create our part from our gearbox. We start with the sleeve, steel sleeve or metal sleeve with a dimension of 21 outer diameter and 15 inner diameter with a chamfered edge at these two edges with 0.5 millimeter times 45 degree inclination. We go to CATIA, start, mechanical design, part design. You can rename the file to sleeve 1, enter. Next we create the sketch at the YZ plane. And then because the sleeve is a simple circle item, so we create the first sketch of a box by using profile. So creating this nice box connecting all the points, and then we start with the dimension of the bottom line here with the horizontal line by pressing Ctrl on when selecting both lines, and then we do the dimensioning, and then double click on this. The dimension here is 15 divided by 2. The horizontal line will be our middle line when we want to rotate it against the horizontal line, and the last one will be this dimension of 21 divided by 2. Next, before we measure the width, we should make sure that this width, these two vertical lines is symmetrical with each other. By pressing Ctrl button, we select both lines first, and then lastly the mirroring line or the vertical line, and then click constraint definition and click symmetrical. Next, we measure the width. So the width is only 5 degree. So okay, the chamfering of the side cannot be cannot be drawn by corner. So we what need to do, we exit the workbench first, and then maximize it for better view. Then by using by selecting the sketch here and select the shaft function, so 360 degree will be automatically selected, so let it be. 0 degree also is the second limitation, no rotation, and then the axis of rotation will be the horizontal line. You can click OK, or you can also change it by selecting on the selection box here, right click, and then we choose y-axis. So yeah, it's either way. You can change back to horizontal line or y-axis. Click OK. So we have finished having our sleeve. Next, what we need to do, we choose the outer line by pressing Ctrl button. We choose the next line, the inner circle, and then we go to chamfer. Click chamfer. The length is 0.5 with the angle of inclination of 45 degree. We click OK because the progression is tangent, and we have our sleeve. So why we need this surface? So this surface will allow the easy mounting on the housing, and this will be the space for the shaft to be inserted into the sleeve. On this, by clicking apply material, we go to metal, select steel, and then select the part body, then we click OK. So we open the construction tree, we have the steel there, and next we can rename the part body here by click right mouse click and then go to properties. We go to feature property, we change it to sleeve 2115, apply. So what is 2115? 21 is the outer diameter, 15 is the inner diameter. Other than that, we can also change the color by using the shortcut alternate enter. You can also go to these properties, so change the color to green, and we click OK. Why we need this coloring? It is very important when we have to assemble a lot of parts in one assembly, so the color will let us differentiate which part is which. Okay, that's it. Thank you.